On the next few days, I'm going to deep dive into the 49 countries in sub-Saharan Africa. Um, like I mentioned in my previous videos, that I want to help a majority of smallholder farmers for a particular crop or livestock in one country in SSA, Sub-Saharan Africa. So this group of farmers will be provided with infrastructure, with funding, with guidance, regardless of what crops or livestock is that. And then eventually it will turn into a large enterprise where we do either local distribution or exports, or maybe a combination of both. Either way, our goal is to find this group of farmers where we feel uh, it's worth deserving to help them. We feel that there's potential in their crops or livestock. We can provide value added products from their lands and their farms. And then it also aligns with our goals and objectives. So there's a lot of metrics and guidelines that we need to do check on. But it could be any country in the 49 countries in sub-Saharan Africa. And to tell you honestly, I won't be surprised it will be coming from North Africa too, or a small country inside South Africa, like Lesotho or Togo. It's free for all. All right. So obviously, the popular and big countries, developed countries like Kenya, Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa are among the top. So yes, there's a big potential for them um, to initiate and get our attention in terms of these projects. But again, like I said a while ago, it depends really on our goals. Does it align with the smallholder farmers in that particular region and country, the crops or livestock that we're looking after, and so on and so forth. So again, it's free for all. So I just want you to pitch your story, your crops, like what Grace of Kenya is doing for her sunflower. So yes, I'll be hearing from you in your about your farms.